Hello everybody, Thomas Lucas here and welcome back to the railway. Welcome back to another review. Today I'm looking at a Type 5 diesel loco, and that is this, the Hornby Railways EWS Class 56. Yes, so this is not my 56, my 56 is 56117, as you can see just down here. This one is a slightly older version. And as you can see, it's got a different sort of logo. It's got EW and S, and this is 56058. This belongs to a friend of mine, of which I've just serviced, and I'm doing the review right now. And I've also got some help with this to review this loco. So welcome.
Hi.
Hello. Yes, we've got Josh_43189 for this Class 56 review. And yes, this is the second 56 review we've done together. Or we'll do.
Probably.
Yeah. Yes, and also this would be the day where we've seen the most 56s together at one point, but more that later. But for now, I think it's time to get this loco unboxed and check out what we have got installed for today. So let's get started. Okay, so there is the loco, ready preparing to be unboxed. But before we unbox it, let's take a look at the side of the box here. And so the version I have here is R2075. It's a Class 56 in the EWS livery locomotive, and it is number 56058. And the loco does not have a name. Okay, so that's the side of the box. Now it's time to take this loco out of its box and check out what it looks up close. So we'll go from this side, if I can. Yes, I can. And hopefully it'll be able to slide out. Or maybe not. A bit of help. There we go. Oh. Yeah, that's a bit of a tight spot there. But anyway, there is the loco in the foam packaging there. So I'll just gently slide it out of this box. And there is the loco, the EWS Class 56. Yeah, look at that. That is quite impressive, this detail. Very, very, very similar to what I have, just slightly older. But yeah, that looks quite spectacular, really. And yeah, this logo does look completely different to one I have. Yeah, very different. Right, I think it's time to get this logo up against the background and check out what detail and quality this logo has to offer. So let's get started on that. Okay, so there is the Hornby EWS Class 56 up against the background. And I have to say, this logo does have a few similarities, but there are a couple of differences. So I'll show them to you now. So let's start with the front end. And there you go. So as you can see, we have got the front end with the older overhead wire warning signs. Obviously, these ones with the red logos. Obviously, the newer ones with the yellow ones. And yes, I'm wondering, are these painted handrails on the front, or are they metal? They're metal. Interesting. So we've got metal handrails on this loco, which is good to see. And we have got the orange power supplies on the front of this, which do stand out quite a bit, as well as the already enclosed horns on the front of this loco as well as the numbering for 56058 on the front of it as well. Get a little bit closer. And as you can see, we have got one missing buffer on this loco, which is a bit annoying to see, as well as but the other buffer, as you can see here, is completely plastic and are not sprung, and these have the older broad couplings on this loco. Coming on the side of this loco, as you can see, we've got the red and yellow banding for EWS, as well as the 56058 and EW and S. I keep wanting to say EWS, but this time it's EW and S. as well as, I think here's one of the differences. This one does not have any painted axle boxes. My one does, they're yellow. But the detail is still pretty good, as you can see. We've got full detailed bogies on either side, but obviously not painted. Obviously, you have the painted black grills on this loco as well as quite a few grills and rivets on the top of this loco, as you can see all the way along this loco, as well as some grills on the top. I can't make out any fans on the top of this loco. I can see, but I can see some sort of bar underneath them. And if you look carefully, you can see two people inside the cab on the other end. So let's turn the light on, and you'll see what I mean. And there's one, and there should be a second one in there. So I wonder if I can. There's the second person, as you can see through the front window there. So there you go. So that is the driving end. So that will be the end. We'll be pointing in direction on when it comes to the running session. And the other side, the other buffer has seemed to have disappeared as well, which is okay, fair enough. But as you can see, we've got the board covers on this side as well, plus some more metal handrails, as well as got a nice sort of orange coloured banding all the way along the top. That one seems to be in quite good condition, I would say. Yeah, definitely. Looks good. And yeah. Oh, and also we have got the loco information down that end as well. I'll zoom in on that, as you can see just there. But anyway, there you go. So that's the detail. The quality of the loco is pretty good. Obviously, it's completely plastic body. I think this is late 90s, early 2000s model. Telling by the box, because it's Hornby Railways, but I could be wrong. But yeah, it's definitely a good loco, and from what I could tell previously, this loco does have lighting on board, so that'll be interesting to see, and well, direction lighting as well, apparently. So, without any further ado, let's go and get this loco down to the track and test what this loco is like. Let's do this. Okay, so there is the Hornby EWS Class 56 down onto the track, ready for this video's first test run. So right, without further ado, let's test and see this runs. Well, should run.
Sorry, let's go to your light.
Anyway. And it can run, as you can see. No direction. Quite a slow runner at the moment, but it will wake up. So it's got room for a motor. But it will wake up eventually, so that'll be fine. Yeah, as you can see, it's already starting to speed up already. After a couple of runs up and down, it'll be alright.
Actually, try it at slow speed.
Yeah, let's bring it back into the camera shot. And check out the rest of it. Okay, let's turn up. So it's very coggy, it's not consistent, but let's turn up a little bit a little bit higher. You see, that's when it starts to get better, but it's very coggy and it's not very consistent. In some places it is, other places it's not. Oh, there we go. That's an alright slow speed, that is, which is fine. Let's bring it back into camera shot. But that's okay. That's quite a nice little slow speed. Obviously, it's not the slowest speed in the world, but it'll do. It'll do. And if you turn in the other direction, you can probably just see the lights when they come on. Just make them out. Yeah, we have got some lights in front of it. If you can't make it out, I'll turn the light off, and then you might be able to see them better. Any better? Yeah, I know it's not the best angle.
I don't really see much, to be honest.
Yeah, it's not the brightest light, but it'll be alright. But yeah, Best to just turn it off a minute, so it doesn't fry the motor. But yeah, so far it's looking quite good. And the torque of this loco is quite impressive as well. And it can pull quite a large load, which I need to sort that out. I need to put it into the station before this loco comes back. But yeah, I would say overall this loco is a good runner. So without further ado, let's get this loco, take it towards the station whilst I get the train ready for it. Yeah, so let's do this. And off it goes. Okay, so its train is ready for collection. So here comes the EWS Class 56, or EW and S. So they're coming in, and oh, there we go, connection, and make sure that, yep, both couplings, both hooks have engaged. That's fine. So I've got quite a good rate of wagons with it today, as the 56s do a lot of aggregate trains, and especially EWS ones. I know they do tankers and also hoppers. You will see one with tankers, but I won't spoil it for you all. I won't tell you which one it is with what. But for now, this one is with the wagons. So without further ado, let's get it going. That's full power line. Yeah, it'll wake up in a minute. Yes, I'll stand the speed up a little bit now. It'll get faster. And so, as spoken about, I have my EWS Class 56. I've got it on the tanker train. So, EWS 56 117, take it away, please. As you can see, I've got the yellow axle boxes on it. Bit quiet in this loco. There we are. Okay, so here we have Class 56 number 3. We've got it in the rail freight grey livery with the red lining on the bottom. And also, this is, I have note recently there was a 69 painted into this livery with the original 56 logo number put on the side of it as well. So this is a tribute to them as well. But for now, let's get this logo going. So I've got some box fans of it and a generator wagon. This is the more modern Hornby one. And as we don't have 4 Class 56s, I have gone with another Type 5 diesel loco, and I've gone with the Yeoman Class 59, and this one is 59004. And we've got another aggregates train with it today, so without any further ado, let's get it going. And this is also a railroad loco, so yeah, so it's a smoother loco than the Class 37, which I reviewed last time. Yeah, as you can see here, it's a bit smoother, and it'll do the job nicely. Might as well put the 56 come back and there it goes. Voila! Enjoy this running session. Here comes the snowmobile. Yeah, it's getting a bit faster. very, very slightly, but anyway, here comes the other 56. is showing off its low speed now, really. It is improving a little bit. Well, it's slowly coming round. Yes. Eventually. This slow coat. Sometimes get up a little bit. That might help a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Oh, I guess I won't. But anyway, after quite a 3 out of 4 fast loco running session and 1 out of 4 slow running session, I have to say that nothing really has gone wrong. The 56 that I'm doing today is sped up a little bit, but not dramatically fast. But I mean, I don't know what it is. Something to do with the new controller with the older locos, I think. But it has happened to quite a few locos now. I mean, 33, 37, peak, 50 previously. Yeah. But anyway, for now, that's all I've got time for today. So, if you would like to help the channel, please like and subscribe to keep the channel going. And if you have any comments you'd like to say about the loco I've been reviewing today, or about any queries that you think, I will respond to them as soon as possible. But apart from that, I thank you all very much for watching.
I'll just see you next time for some more videos. Goodbye, everyone.
Well,